Hi, this is Deborah Harris and I'm here with another cash flow tip and trick. Today's cash flow tip is about debtor days. Now, debtor days are the number of days on average it takes your customers to pay you. And obviously we want that as short as possible because when that debtor days period is short, it means the money is hanging around in our system longer for us to take advantage of it. So today's debtor days tip is to offer early payment incentives. Now, you may think of these as being discounts, but rather than thinking of these as being discounts, flip the thinking and say, this is how much the price is if everybody paid it early, and we add a bit if you're paying it after that time. So you're not discounting off the full price, you're actually adding onto the full price if they pay later than that time. Giving yourselves that idea of bringing the cash flow in earlier can actually switch around your thinking about early payment offers and incentives because you know you're going to get the money in earlier, but you're still getting paid the full amount for your products or services. So there's our cash flow tip of the day. Offer early payment incentives.